This video from Sam4S Help, we're taking a quick look at a possible cause of the cash drawer not opening on your SPS-2300 touchscreen till system. So there are lots of reasons why this might be happening, the drawer not firing correctly. In this video I'm going to cover the most common one. So if we pop through a sale, everything was working, the receipt printer's printing out, but as you could hear and see there, the cash drawer didn't fire open. The most common cause for this is that the cash drawer's either been plugged into the incorrect port or that the cable's come loose. So you can check this really simply by looking on the underside of the till where the port area is, and on this side here, so on the right hand side, the first port in, this is the drawer port. So we can see this is the cash drawer cable. The cash drawer cable's actually come loose. This is the cash drawer cable. So there's a couple that look very similar to it. So I've had it before where people have had it plugged into the LAN or the COM3 connector. Where it needs to be plugged in is over here. Clicks into place. Push that back down. Then if we try a sale again, this time we get the drawer open and the receipt print out. So as I said, there's possible other reasons, including the drawer being locked, and I'll post other videos explaining how to get around these problems as well. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so feel free to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.